Chapter 1. The Life Cycle of Animals. Can you tell? Look at the puppies and their mother in the picture. Do you see some similarities? Yes, there are similarities between the puppies and their mother. Look at the butterfly and the caterpillar that has come out of the egg. Do you see any similarities? No, there is no similarity between the butterfly and the caterpillar. Can you tell? A hen lays eggs. Chicks come out of those eggs. Do kittens come out of eggs? No, kittens do not come out of eggs. A chicken is born from an egg. Ants, butterflies, fish, frogs, snakes are all animals that lay eggs. But we do not often see their eggs. Do you know why that is? Well, that's because the eggs of some very small animals are very tiny. We would hardly notice them. So we do not come to know that these animals lay eggs. But we know for sure that a hen lays eggs. Her eggs are big enough to be easily seen. A hen lays eggs. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. So, after laying them, the hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. The chicks inside slowly keep growing. When its growth is complete, the chick breaks the eggshell and comes out. The hen looks after its chicks till they grow a little bigger. Do you know? When a hen is hatching, hatch means when a hen sits on her eggs to warm them, she is said to be hatching her eggs. When a hen is hatching her eggs, she becomes aggressive for fear of their safety. She attacks anyone who tries to go near the eggs. Metamorphosis. There are similarities between a goat and its kid, and between a hen and her chick. However, a caterpillar and a butterfly are very different. Thus, in some animals, the young one grows into an adult animal that looks very different from the young one. This change of form is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis in a butterfly. Butterflies of various shapes and beautiful colors are a part of our environment. They live their life among plants. As butterflies grow, they pass through 4 stages. These are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The adult stage is called butterfly. The plain tiger butterfly is a very common one. Let us take its example to see how the growth of a butterfly takes place. The female plain tiger butterfly lays eggs on the milkweed, that is, rui leaf. In 6 to 8 days, the larva emerges from the egg. The larva of a butterfly is called a caterpillar. When the caterpillar comes out of the egg, it is very hungry. It begins to nibble and eat the very leaf on which it emerges from the egg. It eats very fast, so its growth is very rapid. The caterpillar of the plain tiger butterfly grows so rapidly in the first 2 or 3 days that it does not fit in its skin anymore. Can you imagine that? But under the old skin, a new loose skin is formed on the growing caterpillar. Then, the caterpillar sheds the old skin. That is, it molts. Molt means to shed old skin to make way for new growth. Again, it begins to gobble up the leaf and continues to grow rapidly. In 2 or 3 days, it molts a second time. In this way, it molts 4 times. It remains in the caterpillar stage for 10 to 12 days. After the 4th molt, the caterpillar goes into the next stage. This is the pupa stage. The pupa stage of a butterfly is called a chrysalis. It has a protective case at this stage. This case is also called a chrysalis. Chrysalis. It remains inside the chrysalis for the next 11 or 12 days. It does not eat anything during this stage. However, inside the chrysalis, important changes take place in its body. For example, its legs grow longer. It gets attractive wings. Its growth is completed inside the chrysalis. Then, the adult butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. All butterflies go through these stages of growth. A butterfly emerges from its chrysalis.
अगर आप अपने सिलेबस के सारे चैप्टर्स इस फॉर्मेट में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए नंबर पर कॉल करें। ऐसे ही और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल होम रिवाइज को सब्सक्राइब करें।